Wait. No. Gonna make a bigger one? No.
God, you know, we were leaving the driveway.
It's a big one.
Kilo, look at the tent, honey. Beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. There you are.
That's a baby.
Can you burp or something for
We'll
us?
get Uncle John.
Can you burp?
Oh, he said there. I think I hiccuped. I go sneeze now.
Yours
Oh, you are
Achoo.
Cover his arm up. He's got to be chilly.
Oh, jeez. We got more John than we got anything over here.
Oh, look at all that hair.
Yeah, he says
He's pretty cute.
flat on my back here. I don't know if I like that too much.
Good morning. Yes, hiccups. You have hiccups.
Do you remember how to hold babies?
It's not anything you forget. Absolutely do not forget. Oh, it's definitely still shooting.
That's okay. We'll get some funny little expressions. We'll get some funny little expressions and we'll make a little movie.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Turn you around. He's hungry. Yeah, they open their eyes and they open their mouth. You know, it's like that goes together. Yeah, that just.
What's for lunch?
You gonna holler? I want to hear your voice. 3 weeks only. There comes your grandma.
Yeah, you look like you think you're in California.
Graduated. How you doing? Good to see you. You got chubby cheeks there?
Hey, Gary.
Right.
That's Harry over there.
No.
That's yeah, he knows your voice.
Howdy, Judy.
How's it going?
I'm alive.
From the wedding?
Yeah.
How are ya? Nice to see ya.
He knows. Yeah, he's probably chilly. Probably a little chilly.
Sage, did you bring enough warm clothes? Are you taping this?
Yeah, I'll get a good expression and I'll make a little movie and I'll send it to everybody.
I'm sorry, Pumpkin. You
Not
went
anymore. No, I've really toned it down.
Oh, there you go.
Stay out of the city.
You don't say. Yeah, it's blowing. Yep. You just gotta.
Whitey tighties?
I don't have any hair on my back.